Replacement doors. Conway services offer a wide range of options for those seeking door installation and entry door replacement. Whether you're looking for patio doors, French doors, or sliding glass doors, Conway AR has the perfect solution for your home. Custom doors. Conway AR provides unique designs tailored to your specific needs, ensuring both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Energy-efficient replacement doors. Conway are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These doors are designed to keep your home insulated, providing comfort and savings year-round. Door hardware and door security. Conway are also essential considerations, offering peace of mind with advanced locking systems and durable materials. For those in need of door replacement or door frame replacement, Conway, professional services are available to restore your doors to their original condition. Door refinishing Conway AR can breathe new life into old doors, while door upgrades and door maintenance Conway AR ensure longevity and performance. Door fitting Conway guarantees a perfect fit, enhancing both appearance and functionality. Interior doors. Conway and exterior doors Conway AR come in a variety of styles and materials, allowing you to customize your space. Door customization Conway AR offers endless possibilities, from traditional to modern designs. Door styles. Conway and door materials Conway AR provide options to match any decor, ensuring a cohesive look throughout your home. Storm doors. Conway AR are an excellent addition for added protection against the elements. These doors offer durability and security, making them a wise investment for any homeowner. Door measurements. Conway AR and door consultation. Conway ensure that your new doors fit perfectly and meet your specific requirements. Door estimates. Conway AR provide a clear understanding of costs, helping you budget for your project. Door solutions. Conway offer comprehensive services, from initial consultation to final installation. Replacement doors. Conway are available in various styles and finishes, ensuring a seamless transition from old to new. Conway AR door installation services are renowned for their quality and attention to detail. With a focus on customer satisfaction, these services provide reliable and efficient solutions for all your door needs. Whether you're upgrading your entry door or installing new patio doors, Conway AR has the expertise to deliver exceptional results.